Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change Apple ID country origin in iPhone, iPad in latest iOS version iOS 16 and as well as iOS 15.7. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we have to launch settings, then tap on your profile ID. Here we have to tap on media and purchase and tap view account. Country origin, change country origin. Here we have to select the country that you are living. For example, I'm going to select the Germany. Now tap agree and tap agree. Agree again. Here we have to put your credit card or anything that you are using or select none. After selecting the none, we have to fill the billing address, everything that you have to street, postcode, city and the phone number as well. After that we have to tap on next and done. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.